Good people, I'm back again with another video. I hope that y'all are doing well and staying well wherever you are, man. Yeah, man, I hope that you're living life based on your own fucking terms, if you know what I mean, right? So today, basically, I'm going to talk about how we are highly intelligent beings, bro. Do you know that, bro? Um, Yo, bro, we live in a society, right? In this Western civilization, in this Western society, whereby people are being oppressed. Some people are being oppressed. Some people are not being oppressed. Like the only way this system can survive is through competition. The only way this society, this Western civilization can survive is only through competition. It's only through who's better than who is black, who is white. Do you feel me? But at the end of the day, bro, there's nobody who is superior than anybody, or there's nobody that is inferior than anybody, bro. On a spiritual level, we are the same. But then now we come into this society, into this world, into this system, into this fake world, into this matrix, whereby we are convinced from an early age, bro. We are taught and convinced that we know nothing, that we are dumb, that we incapable of doing anything, bro. Ever since from the time we grow up, bro, we are allowing people to shape us. We are allowing people and the society and the government to shape us, bro. Just think about it, bro. Ever since you were growing up, people were shaping your reality. People were telling you about life. You didn't come into this world with the knowing of how this system works, of how this of how this world, this Western society works. You had to be taught. You had to be groomed, right? You had to be groomed, bro. Like how stuff how we do things in this system. Right, so basically you came into this world with no information about this system, but now the more you were growing up, is the more now is the more your brain or whatever started to mature or whatever. Now you can see stuff for yourself, and now you can shape your own reality, because now you're no longer letting anybody shape your own reality. So back to what I was saying when I said we are highly intelligent beings, because we are, bro. Our brain has the capacity to know everything, or to figure out everything. You know what I mean, bro? But bro, we have the abilities to create everything you want to create, bro. If there's anything right now that you want to create, there is a possibility that it can come into this physical reality, that it can manifest into this physical reality. Just think about it, bro. Everything that you want to create, everything that you want to know about yourself and the universe and the world, everything that you want to have access to, your past, your present, your future, everything you can, bro. That's how intelligent you are. That's how highly intelligent you are. That's how the creator made you to be, bro. To be an intelligent being. The creator gave you everything that you need, bro, in order to experience this experience, bro. Your creator is giving you every single thing that you need to experience this experience. We as the people just have to realize that we are highly intelligent beings, bro. We are super intelligent, dog. Um, right now, right, I just read a book, right? It was telling about melanin, bro. It says the people who possess melanin have the people that possess melanin, right, are smarter, are way more smarter than people who don't possess melanin. Just think about it, nigga. Just think, nigga. That shit will open doors, bro. People that contain melanin, people that melanin is dominant in their bodies, bro, are much more intelligent and connected to the cosmos than people who who their black gem is not dominant, if you feel what I'm saying, bro. So just think about it, bro. We are highly intelligent beings, bro. We multidimensional beings, bro. We can access the past, the now, and the future, bro. We already have the education, or the knowing of who we are, of what we are capable of doing, bro. Can you feel me? Because I can certainly feel it, dog. We are highly intelligent beings that are capable of creating anything they want to create. Anything that you want to create, or anything that you will love to manifest, bro. There is a possibility that it can happen. There is a definite possibility that anything can happen, my nigga. It's just that we've been taught to think low of ourselves and not highly of ourselves. Just think about it, bro. If we were taught to think highly of ourselves, where would we be? Where would the world be right now? But they cannot allow that, bro. The Western leaders, they cannot allow that, because if they allow that, their world is gonna crumble. Their system is gonna fucking crumble. If you know what I'm talking about, right, bro? So right now, I advise you to know and to figure out and to do your research and whatever. But please, my nigga, know that you are a highly intelligent being, dog. You are super advanced, nigga. You are you are everywhere all the time. I know. I bet all of you have watched the movie Lucy, right? At the end of the movie, right, Lucy, she becomes a part of everything, right? And then she says she's everywhere, nigga. That's I think she unlocked 100% of the 100% of her brain and stuff like that, bro. That's you, bro. That's how highly intelligent you are, bro. If you can unlock the abilities of your brain, bro, you will be so super advanced, bro. I bet nobody will lie to you ever again, dog, because you'll be everywhere. So you can feel people's energies. You can feel your energy. You can even see the future on the present moment, bro. That's how highly intelligent you are, bro. You can go way back. You can go way back now. Do you feel me? You can go in the future now. Do you feel me, bro? That's how powerful your brain is. That's how powerful your mind is. But the thing is, we've been taught and groomed not to think, not to use our mind to its fullest potential or whatever. But yo, bro, we are highly intelligent beings, and these motherfuckers, they know who we are. 2,000 years ago, these motherfuckers, they know who we are. They knew who we are, dog. Ever since non-black races can ever since non-black races um ever since non-black races came into being, right, they manifested, right, they come from us, right, so they manifested from us, right. Ever since those people came into being, what was I gonna say now? You see, like, ever since those people came into being, bro, our people forgot who they are. I think, yeah. Ever since those people came into being, bro, we forgot who we are. You know, you know, you know. But there's so many scenarios to this stuff, bro. But all I want to say is that, bro, you are highly intelligent, you are super smart, you are everywhere simultaneously, past, present, and future. You are everywhere simultaneously. You can create your own reality, you can shape your own world. You can be the alchemist of your own reality. You can gravitate, you can fly, you can speak things into existence, or you can speak things away from you or into existence, stuff like that, bro. That's how smart you are. That's how smart you are, bro. So what I advise you to know is that how highly intelligent you are. Know yourself, know your history, know the history of your people, know the history of yourself. You don't need any books actually. Those books will be led to you. You just need to ask the right questions and put yourself into in that frame whereby you'll receive the answers, if you know what I mean, bro. So yeah, man, that's what I wanted to say today, man. We are highly super advanced beings, and they know it. They know it. Just study yourself. Know yourself. Know the culture of your people.